नमस्ते सभी को। तो ये आज जो है क्लास 6 का 9th चैप्टर होने जा रहा है। तो मैं चैप्टर शुरू करने से पहले ये बताना चाहूँगा कि क्लास 6 में हम पहले से जो चैप्टर एक के बाद एक पढ़े थे उसमें काफ़ी कुछ जानकारी था। इनमें से एक चीज़ स्पष्ट रूप में तुम देखोगे तो तुम्हें समझ आ जाएगा कि जो क्लास 6 में ये जो एनसीईआरटी का बुक्स है, एक्सप्लोरिंग द सोसाइटी इंडिया एंड बियॉन्ड, ये जो टेक्स्ट बुक है इसमें एक चीज़ है, वो है कि पहले तो विश्व के जो अलग अलग जगह है उसका परिचय, लोकेशन, उसके बाद इंडिया का पोजीशन ग्लोबल क्या है, उसके बाद रिवर्स, उसके बाद इसके आसपास जो समुंदर है उनके बारे में, उसके बाद थोड़ा बहुत वो लैंड्स के बारे में, उसके बाद सिविल सोसाइटी जो है ट्रेडिशनल टू मॉडर्न इसके बारे में। और धीरे धीरे ये जो बुक्स है ना पहले से अंत के चैप्टर तक जाते हैं ऐसा करके कि आउट टू इन। और ये आउट टू इन इसका मतलब कुछ इस तरह है, पहले ये जो मान लो ये एक सर्किल है, तो ये पहले जो है ये आसपास हम पढ़ चुके हैं, ये आसपास पढ़ चुके हैं। थोड़ा थोड़ा करके हम जैसे सोलर सिस्टम में होता है ना सर्किल, थोड़ा थोड़ा करके हम इसके अंदर की तरफ जा रहे हैं, मतलब कोर जो एरिया उसमें जा रहे हैं। कोर मतलब जो एकदम सेंटर में है, ये सेंटर जो है ये आज का टॉपिक है, ये फैमिली एंड कम्युनिटी। तो इन लास्ट चैप्टर वी हैव लर्न इंडिया दैट इज भारत। तो ये जो फैमिली एंड कम्युनिटी है इसके बारे में आज हम जानेंगे, बात करेंगे। सबसे शुरू में दो जो बिग क्वेश्चन रूप में दिया गया है वो क्या है वो जानेंगे। इसके साथ साथ ये भी जानेंगे कि आज हम ये फैमिली एंड कम्युनिटी में क्या पढ़ने जा रहे हैं। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस इज इट्स अबाउट अ फैमिली, roles and responsibility of family and community, and what is community, what is the role of community, and what is the role of a family in a community. This is also important. So let's start. So family in class 6, this is not the first time you have read this in your TWAU or EVS in your class 5 earlier. So now when you are learning family, its definition, it's divided in a two simple way. One is the nuclear family and second one is joint family. What is joint family? What is nuclear family? If we draw a basic home where we used to stay, and another part there is a multi-house or multi-storied buildings like this. As you know, in your APS or social science, all start with your observation. So what you see, it's directly related to your chapter. So a group of people are having a nuclear family will stay in this house basically, and group of people or more than one, two group of people having staying in a single house or home, that is sometime multi-story, or that will be called a joint family. Along with this, what is the meaning of joint family and nuclear family? In your, as you are a student or you are a boy man, suppose you are a student of class 6, okay, and your name is Ayan. So you is Ayan, right? You have parents, you have parents. So today we are going to discuss first what is the nuclear family. So this is Ayan of class 5 or 4 or class 6, and he have parents, father and mother. See these two people is called part of a nuclear family. Along with iron have a sister. This is called a nuclear family. And what is a nuclear family? Will stay in this small or house with less room. But sometime it's happened that in a big building, big house, some people are living and they are less in number, but they have lots of room. It may be also possible. It's depend on the place where you are staying. If it is in a village, it's okay. If it is town, it's okay. But sometimes it's have been seen that in a particular area like village area, uh, having more space is common, and in a town area, having less space in your living room, bedroom, it's common too. So this is the concept of nuclear family. Nuclear means this smaller. Nuclear family means small. And what is a joint family? Joint family is a concept of more nuclear family in a single house. This is nuclear family or this is joint family. So today we are going to learn our next thing. What is concept of the joint family? So we are going to use the same uh, family line or family tree, whatever you like to say. So this is Ayan and he has sister, father and mother. So Ayan also have grandfather and grandmother from his father's side. Grand grandfather, okay, grandfather, and grandmother, okay, grandfather and grandmother from his father's side, and also have grandfather and grandmother, okay, from his mother's side, and these will become under a nuclear family. But when these two elder lines added in this line, it will become a joint family. This is up to this is a nuclear family, and we will adding one line, two line, three line, that will become a joint family. What is line? Line is real relation. Let's say here Ayan and sister. These are sister and brother, and these are father and mother. They are husband and wife, and they have also their father and mother in their upper line. That is called grandfather, grandmother of mother, and grandfather and grandmother of father also too. So this one, two, three line is called when we are studying or observing or having in a family with these two line. This called nuclear family, and well, this line or more than this line or from bottom more line added, that will become a joint family too. Suppose after many years, Iron and sister get married, okay, and Iron have a girl and sister have been given married to another place, another house, home, and after that he came to his family function. So that will be also considered that he have a boy child also. So this the four line, one, two, three, four. One only there have a two line. Doesn't matter this line or that line. Only two line. Minimum two line is needed to make a nuclear family. Or you have to add more than two line, three, four, to make it a joint family. So let's discuss now what is the role of and responsibility in community. First of all, role and responsibility of you and people, us in our society, it is to Be cooperative. First of all, be cooperative. Okay, कोऑपरेटिव, आपस में मिलजुल के रहना, हेल्प करना, और हैविंग गुड रिलेशन, गुड रिलेशन, having with them, having with them means society, them means society इन नीड, जब जरूरी होगा, जब आपदा आएगा, कुछ जरूरी होगा, तब उनको साथ देना। पार्टिसिपेशन, पार्टिसिपेशन इन सोशल गैदरिंग, इन सोशल गैदरिंग। Along with this, to maintain law and peace. To maintain law and peace, which means the local body have people, have administration, have police, forces, and many things. Along with this, people have, if in a society people are well educated, good manners, so they will uh, make the place more harmonious, more peaceful, to make law and peaceful, to maintain law and peace. ये भी उनका काम है। Along with this, there are some laws and some rules to serve your family. Family responsibility not only for the society, responsibility, responsibility towards parents, parents and family. Whenever you are writing your answer in your question paper exam, you should write this answer in the top. This is because this is our first priority, I think, and towards parents and सोसाइटी। फर्स्ट पेरेंट्स के तरफ से आपको रिस्पॉन्सिबल होना है, वट एवर दे नीड, वट एवर दे you should or you can provide, you should provide first your parents, then it goes to your uh, family. And there is a thing, it's in between us mouth word that social charity begin at home. So this is also a area, and the the membership of self-help group, there is also many group, many clubs, many activities there in our society, so participation will also come in this. So I'm not going to write this once again. And after that, is there anything that we have left I have not discussed? Role and responsibility. What is the role of responsibility of a society and a family? The society and the family is the smallest unit of a society, and many family create a community that's belong to a particular place. And in such a way, sometimes this place is influenced by the local people, tribe, language, culture, food habits, and its location. So all these things come to this also. And this society community play an important role during the emergency of any type of emergency and disaster. So that is the uh, crucial point, that is the need of a society. Why we should need a society to, because we can't live that we can't live alone. I know how to teach, how know write a thing article, I know how to interact with a student, but I don't know anything, I don't know how to teach, how to sweep, how to cook. So all we need all of others in our mutual needs. So that's also a important part of society. You may write it this in your copy. This is the basic thing, and I am not going to discuss all this thing. You have it's in your textbook, you may read once, and it is enough for you to understand. And this thing will add you, or you will boost you to your understanding in your topic, that is family and community. So last we are going to discuss